In this video, I'll show you how to set up a TP-Link Wi-Fi router from the start to finish. Follow along and you'll have your internet up and running in just a few minutes. If your router is brand new, you can skip this step. But if it's been used before, you should reset it. Make sure the router is powered on. On most TP-Link routers, the reset button is hidden inside a small hole at the back. Use a pin or a paper clip to press and hold it for about 10 seconds, until all the lights blink at once. Release the button and wait for the router to restart. Once the lights are stable again, it's back to factory default settings. Your internet provider sends internet to your home using a fiber optic cable. This cable connects to a device called the ONU or Optical Network Unit. The ONU converts the fiber signal into Ethernet. Take an Ethernet cable and connect one end to the ONU. Plug the other end into the blue WAN port of your TP-Link router. On your phone, go to Wi-Fi settings and connect to the default Wi-Fi network on your TP-Link router. The default Wi-Fi name and password are printed on a label at the bottom of the router. Use those details to connect. Once connected, open any browser on your phone and type tplinkwifi.net or 192.168.0.1. This will open the router setup page. The first thing you will be asked to do is to create a new admin password. This is only for login into your router settings, not your Wi-Fi. Now the quick setup will guide you step by step. First, select your time zone. For example, if you are in India, choose Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi. Next, select your connection type. This depends on what your ISP has given you. For example, if they provided fixed IP details, choose static IP. Then enter the IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS servers. After that, you will be asked to set up your Wi-Fi. Enter a name for your Wi-Fi network or SSID. You can choose anything. For example, TP-Link. Now, set a strong Wi-Fi password for security. The router will restart and apply your changes. After that, your phone will disconnect. Go back to Wi-Fi settings and connect to your new Wi-Fi name using the password you just created. Once connected, open a browser and run a speed test to confirm that your internet is working properly. And that's it. Your TP-Link Wi-Fi router is now fully set up, and your internet should be working perfectly. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.